questions, even just a show of hands. So does anyone know or have heard of leaky gut before? How about that? Okay, great. So let's dive into, and you're kind of humming and hawing a little bit. Okay, well, you're going to get a really good explanation of what it is. And I think all of you will have a really good, clear understanding and idea of what it is when tonight's over. As Hippocrates says, the father of medicine, all diseases stem from the gut. And that's my bread and butter. That's what I do. I always focus on gut health and intestinal permeability, because if you have a healthy gut, then you're going to have a healthy body and a healthy brain. But if you don't have a healthy gut, then everything else cascades down from there, whether it's short-term, acute, where you know something's wrong, or long-term, chronic, where it turns into an autoimmune condition. And they've proven now all autoimmune conditions are an expression of leaky gut. So that's something to really think about here. That's when the invasion of pathogens, toxins, and even foods, but in the wrong way, that's when our bodies start to absorb them, and that's called leaky gut. And in addition to that, fecal matter and fecal debris, our bodies will actually begin to absorb that, and it becomes dispersed into our systemic bloodstream, and we don't want that. So that is also leaky gut. Is our GI inside our body or outside of our body? Yeah, totally. And that's what's responsible for the absorption of foods that we eat, and also the blockade, our security system, to not allow some of the things that aren't supposed to enter our body. Does that all make sense? Right? Cool. Almost everyone that I've worked with has some degree of intestinal permeability. So I've magnified this even more. Would you be able to guess what you think the gaps are between each cell when someone has hyperpermeability of the gut? You ready? You're going to be blown away.